In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood hinge on this 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. You want to take this ground strap off using a 10mm socket. We'll take this nut off. And just set that aside. Now we're going to loosen up these two bolts. Use a 13mm socket. Just loosen them. And the hood might move a little bit, so be careful. All right. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. Right. Now with an assistant, you want to hold the hood on the other side, and then you want to take these bolts out. Make sure you hold the hood while you're doing that. We'll just grab the hood and slide it off. Now I'm going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath this piece of trim right here. And just pop it up. Slide that out. Now we're going to take this bolt out using a 10mm socket. Pull that out. And then you can separate that, leave the spring down there. Now we're going to take this bolt out, use a 10mm socket. And pull it out. And there's the hinge. Now take the new hinge. You can paint it to match the vehicle, but you don't have to. Line this up and put the bolt in. I'll tighten this up. And snug that down. Make sure it does move, which it does. Now take the hinge, move it up a little bit, and take the spring, line that up. And there is a little washer on the bolt and like a little bushing that has to go through the hinge or the spring. Put that in and tighten that down. Now we're going to torque these bolts to 18 foot-pounds. When I torque this bolt, just to prevent the spring from collapsing, I'm going to torque the bolt going upwards. Just like that. Now put this cover back on, line it up. There we go. And line the hood back up. Get the bolt started. get that started. I'll get the other side. Good. Snug that up. Now this side I don't know exactly because we replaced the hinge. So we're just going to try to move this as good as possible. Oh, watch out. Just lightly snug that up. Now carefully close the hood, and you want to check the fenders and just make sure you're not going to hit the fender on both sides. Make sure it lines up pretty good, which it looks good there, and it looks good there. Once that's lined up, then you can torque these bolts to 18 foot-pounds. Take the ground strap, line that up, and we'll tighten that down. Snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.